What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Swing Trade Shack back at it again with another video. Today we're going to be doing an update on Blackberry. If you haven't seen my last video on Blackberry, go ahead and take a look at that, as I was able to predict this fall that we saw in the market. April is here. It's historically been a good month for the market, so I'm excited for what we may see from Blackberry. Hopefully we see a bounce at this support level and we don't see a breakthrough and go towards the next level. So through this video, I'm just going to outline a little bit about what we saw in the earnings, some key levels to watch, and I'm going to be giving my take on where I believe the price is heading in the coming weeks. We're currently on the road to 500 subscribers, and once we hit that goal, I'll begin to release videos teaching you how to do your own technical analysis. So as always, if you enjoy the video, leave a like, comment, as it helps me improve the content I provide, and subscribe for future videos. Now, before we start, just a quick disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. This video is intended for entertainment purposes only. Now let's get into it. So with the earnings, with Blackberry, with a lot of the price movement, it came with a lot of deals that they had announced, deals with Amazon and so forth. Now with these deals, it indicates that they are doing something in the future, which is why people buy it now and it increases the price in the short term. But those would not be reflected in an earnings report, because those are things that are going to happen in the future, obviously. So as you can see, they did miss on their revenues. Okay, so sales fell by 26% from the previous year. It's not something that you shouldn't have expected based on the nature of what drove Blackberry upwards. But in the long term, we will continue to see deals. Blackberry is a good company. So this is just something in the short term that was going to bring the stock down, but in the long term, I am still bullish on the company. So now if we just get into the charts and let's talk about what had happened. So on my last analysis, this is about the price that Blackberry was trading. I had predicted that we will see a break of this support zone and be tested at this next support zone here. Just get my balloons so you can see 862. Around that area, which is what we did see. But what did we see that I like on Thursday? In the support zone, we saw what is called a doji candlestick, which is a candlestick that pretty much opens and closes at the same spot. As you can see, you could barely even see it here. If I were to look to the left and kind of backtest this a little bit, here we see a doji here after a bit of a downtrend. And what happened? Boom. Obviously, that's a bit unrealistic. Not all dojis play out like that, but we haven't seen a doji in a while. And as you could see, it does have some sort of important sign of a reversal on this stock. So we have a doji candle. For it to be confirmed, we would have to see strong price action on Monday, which we may see. In the overall picture, we are very much still in a downtrend. If I were just get this drawing tool, where is it? Here. So if you're going higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now we needed to see a break of this resistance level to unvalidate this downtrend, which we didn't see. We saw a double top pattern and we saw a break of this low here. So we may see, and we'll likely see, if we see a move to the upside, a retest of this support zone, which is now resistance at about 933. And depending on how we react there, will give us a better idea of whether or not we will see continued moves to the upside or if we will continue this downtrend. So right now, we should expect a bounce here off of this doji candlestick and a retest of this resistance level at about 933. If we fail this level and it continues, we break down below this level here at about 840, we will likely see a retest of this demand zone here, which is also going to be a support zone based off the Fibonacci extension. And this level here is where I would be buying it. So if you are not already in this trade, this is a level where I believe there's a lot of value. It'll be extremely oversold. It will most likely be oversold on the RSI as well, which we haven't seen since the original crash in last year from COVID. And that would be just a fantastic buying opportunity for Blackberry. So in the short term, summarize this video, we did reach our first zone. Expect to see a bounce off of this doji, retest of this support zone, see if it's tested as resistance. If we do see a fail here, we will likely see a break back below this support zone and touch our demand zone. If we do see that, I'm buying shares of Blackberry. I believe it's a perfect buying opportunity. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Just a quick update since I did do an in-depth analysis of this stock already. If you enjoyed this video, just drop a like, comment, and subscribe, and stick around for future videos. Peace.